Stop right there. Before you scroll away, answer this honestly. What's the dumbest thing you bought yesterday evening? A subscription you forgot to cancel? Food delivery when your fridge was full? That small upgrade that added $20 to your cart? Here's what terrifies me. It wasn't your fault. There's an invisible force draining your wallet every single day after work. And I'm Johnny, and I'm about to show you the exact moment your money starts vanishing, and you won't believe how simple it is to stop. Picture your brain as a smartphone. Every single decision you make, snoozing your alarm, choosing your outfit, responding to that annoying text, drains battery percentage. Now here's the scary part. By evening, you're running on 3% battery mode. But that's exactly when the biggest money decisions happen. Scientists discovered something they call ego depletion. Your brain literally runs out of juice for smart choices, and while you're stumbling around mentally exhausted, your wallet is wide open. Think about it. Why does Amazon's one-click buy make them billions? Why do you suddenly need guacamole at Chipotle when you're tired? It's not weakness. Your logical brain has left the building, and the part that just wants easy and comfortable, that's driving now. But here's where this gets darker. Billion-dollar corporations have mapped your exhaustion down to the minute. They know you're weakest between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. They've studied you like a lab experiment. Walk into any supermarket after work. Notice how the candy bars aren't at the entrance when you're fresh. They're at the checkout when you're fried. Those last chance items, that's not convenience. That's calculated attack on your depleted mind. Streaming services, they don't want you to compare plans in the morning over coffee. They want you choosing at night, overwhelmed, ready to just click premium to make the thinking stop. That extra $8 monthly, over 10 years, you just handed them nearly $1,000 because you were too tired to read 3 paragraphs. Hold that thought, because what I'm about to reveal will change how you see every evening purchase. So what do? Here's what separates people building wealth from people wondering where their money went. They don't fight their tired brain. They work around it completely. Strategy 1. Morning you protects evening you. Set up automatic transfers the day your paycheck hits, before breakfast, before decisions, before life happens. If the money never reaches your checking account, your exhausted evening brain can't spend it. I'm serious. Automate everything. Savings, investments, bills. Let 8 a.m. Johnny protect 8 p.m. Johnny. Strategy 2. The sunset spending freeze. Here's your new rule. Nothing over $30 gets purchased after 6 p.m. Period. No exceptions for the first 30 days. That amazing deal will exist tomorrow. If it doesn't, it was designed to pressure your tired mind anyway. Write this down. If I still want it at 10 a.m. tomorrow, I'll buy it then. You'll be shocked how many things you suddenly don't need. Strategy 3. Kill decisions before they happen. Decision fatigue only works if there are decisions to make. Sunday afternoon, plan your meals for the week. Prep what you can. When dinner time hits and you're exhausted, there's no "what should I eat" spiral into $40 DoorDash orders. The decision was already made by rested, smart you. I tested this myself. For 1 month, I tracked every purchase after 6 p.m. Want to know what I found? $340 vanished on things I literally cannot remember buying, subscriptions I didn't use, convenience fees, expedited shipping I didn't need. The next month, I implemented the sunset freeze. That $340, it became $48. In those purchases, I actually wanted them the next morning. That's $292 saved in 1 month, $3,504 per year. In a decade, over $35,000, and that's not even counting compound interest if you invested it. Your evening exhaustion is costing you a new car, maybe a down payment on a house, and the worst part, you thought it was just being bad with money. Real wealth isn't about earning more, it's about guarding what you've got when your defenses are down. So here's my challenge. For the next 7 days, nothing over $30 after 6 p.m. Screenshot this video as your reminder. I promise you'll see money appear in your account like magic. If this opened your eyes, smash that subscribe button. I'm revealing money traps like this every single week. Hit like if your evening spending has ever made you cringe the next morning, and share this with someone who needs to see it. Now here's what I need to know. What's the most ridiculous thing you've bought while exhausted? Was it a gadget, a subscription, food delivery? Drop it in the comments. Let's expose these traps together. And tell me, what time of day do you spend the most money without thinking? I'm Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one, where we talk about the spending trigger even more dangerous than tiredness. You're not going to believe this one.